Hello. Hello friends. Today we are going to deal with hospital and clinical pharmacy. Myself, Miss Malvi Rajendra Bhavsar, KKY Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to start with new chapter Clinical Pharmacy. Part 1. After watching this video, student will able to learn definition of clinical pharmacy, concept of clinical pharmacy, role of clinical pharmacy, and scope of clinical pharmacy. So first, clinical pharmacy. It is defined as the branch of pharmaceutical science dealing with utilization of pharmacist knowledge, skills, and judgment related to biomedical and pharmaceutical sciences to prove the safety, the cost, and the precision of the drug usage in the patient care. It is a newborn discipline that carries a traditional hospital pharmacist from his product-oriented approach to a healthier patient-oriented approach so as to ensure the patient maximum well-being while on a drug therapy. Status of clinical pharmacy in India. In developed countries like the United States of America, Canada, clinical pharmacy has already taken good shape. In India, it is in infancy stage. The role of retail pharmacist is viewed by many people as a simple transferring pills from large bottle to small one, counting tablets, typing labels, and calculating the price. Much of his time is seen as a devoted to routine merchandising of cosmetics, shaving, supplies, stationery, and other commodities which have a little or no relation to health care. India stands among top 15 in the world in pharmaceutical market with respect to pharmacy, productions, export, import, etc. There is still a need to develop the concept of clinical pharmacy. First, there is little time for doctor-patient dialogue as a doctor usually has too little time to spend with each patient. Many times doctor to patient by excessive and wrongful use of a drug, more and more people fall in what is called heterogenesis, drug-induced disease, and misuse of drug. It has been increased in self-medication by the patient. These have led to development of clinical pharmacy as a new subject. History of clinical pharmacy. The term clinical pharmacy was first used in 1953. The concept of clinical pharmacology started in 1960s with two incidences. First in 1962, the thalidomide trial, wherein it was found that consumption of popular sedative thalidomide resulted in the birth of babies with seared limbs. Second, in 1968, phenytoin toxicity was reported in Australia, which was because of changing formulation, that is switching over from calcium sulfate to lactose as an inert excipient in the tablets to investigate bioavailability, pharmacokinetics, and toxicity of different formulations. Obviously, this job was mainly given to pharmacology and clinical pharmacology developed as a subject in medical institution, that is clinical pharmacist. Scope of clinical pharmacy. First, preparation of patient medication histories. Any hypersensitive or allergies to specific drug observed in past or any particular drug or food habit, drug dependence or intoxication with a chemical due to occupational hazard, all of which are likely to interfere with the therapy. This will help in saving physician time and efforts, and those will result in faster and more accurate selection of drug therapy. Rational prescription. The clinical pharmacist can suggest the physician and help in selecting the right drug. Some of the examples of irrational combination identified by pharmacists are haloperidol plus diazepam plus amitriptyline and reserpine plus centamide. Third, bioequivalence and generic equivalence of pharmaceutical formulation. Number of factors influence the bioavailability of a drug from the dosage form. Selection of a proper drug therapy based on bioequivalence study on a different dosage form of the same drug moiety. Patient monitoring. Observe the signs and symptoms that indicate the need for reaction to drug. Clinical pharmacist who knows the correct route of administration, the signs and symptoms of dosages, contraindication, desired effect, undesired effect, and side effect that can help in monitoring the drug therapy for a safety and efficacy, a necessity with the increasing application of a potent and toxic chemical and drugs. Drugs with a narrow therapeutic index or when drug administered in patients who are critically ill or are suffering from chronic diseases. Table 1.1 shows the disease condition, class of drug use parameter measured like hypertension, diabetics, blood pressure changes, diabetes, insulin therapy, urine glucose level. Disease condition, class of drug use and parameter measured. For hypertension, drug use is diuretics and parameter measured is blood pressure. For diabetes, class of drug is insulin therapy and parameter measured is urine glucose level. Adverse drug reaction and drug interaction. The clinical pharmacist can compile and process data using computer and make it available to medical staff. They may suggest an alternate therapy if applicable. Identify drug effect, modification due to interaction with several foods, alcohol, smoking, environmental chemical, as well as due to pregnancy. Next part to be continued in part 2.